The Poly-I-Gard 246 Vehicular Traffic Deck System from Polycoat Products is a proven waterproofing solution designed to protect parking structures, walkways, balconies, and other traffic-bearing surfaces from water intrusion, weather exposure, and daily wear. This high-solids, moisture-cured polyurethane system combines durability, flexibility, and long-term performance in an efficient 3-coat application. Engineered specifically for vehicular traffic environments, Poly-I-Gard 246 forms a seamless elastomeric membrane that expands and contracts with normal structural movement while maintaining superior waterproofing protection. The system begins with proper surface preparation and detail treatment. Joints, cracks, flashings, and transitions are reinforced to create a solid foundation for the waterproofing system. Next, a Polyprime epoxy primer is applied to promote exceptional adhesion to properly prepared concrete or metal substrates. Once the primer has cured, the first coat of catalyzed Poly-I-Gard 246 is installed, creating a durable waterproof membrane across the deck surface. For ramps, turn radii, and other high-wear areas, an additional coat of Poly-I-Gard 246 is applied and broadcast with aggregate to enhance durability and slip resistance. A second aggregate broadcast coat is then installed across the deck surface to further strengthen the system and improve long-term wear characteristics. The system is completed with a final Poly-I-Gard 246 top coat, creating a seamless, durable finish capable of withstanding the demands of vehicular traffic while helping protect the structure beneath from water, chemicals, and environmental exposure. One of the key advantages of the Poly-I-Gard 246 system is its ability to resist common traffic deck challenges, including spalling, freeze-thaw damage, and exposure to chemicals commonly encountered in parking structures and elevated decks. It remains flexible over a wide range of temperatures, resisting softening in heat and embrittlement in cold conditions. Poly-I-Gard 246 is also ICC-ES evaluated, carries a Class A fire rating on concrete, and meets multiple industry performance standards, making it a trusted choice for architects, consultants, contractors, and building owners seeking proven waterproofing protection. For more information about the Poly-I-Gard 246 Vehicular Traffic Deck System, contact Polycoat Products today.